In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable secure boot on your Asus laptop. So the first thing we need to do is head over to your computer, and we're just going to come over to the start menu and search for system information. Click on the system information window, and if we come down, you can see this option for secure boot state. Now, as you can see, I currently have this turned on and enabled, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. So let's just close out of here, and we're going to head back over to the start menu, come over to the shutdown button and select shutdown. We're then going to restart our computer, and you're going to tap on the F2 key to bring up the BIOS settings menu. From here, we're going to head over to F7 on our keyboard, and this will bring up the advanced BIOS settings. Then use the right arrow key to come across to security, and we need to scroll down to secure boot and hit enter. Then come down once again to secure boot control and hit enter once again. Then just make sure you have this option here enabled. And then finally, we're going to come down to key management at the bottom here, and just make sure all 5 keys at the bottom here are set to factory. So to do this, just press enter on each one, and from these list of options, you need to come into update. So just go through the steps for each of these 5 keys, make sure they're all set to factory. So once these 5 keys are set to factory, like you see on the screen now, then we're going to come over to the Save and Exit tab, and we're just going to save our changes and exit out of the BIOS window. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you enable secure boot on your Asus laptop. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.